Lead me, follow me, or get out of my way. There comes a point in life where you realize waiting on the right moment is the very thing holding you back. The truth is, leaders don't wait for permission. They don't sit around hoping someone else will create the opportunity they've been praying for. They step forward, they take responsibility, they move with purpose, and they make things happen. Because leadership isn't about titles, it's about decisions. It's about having the courage to go first, even when the road isn't clear. It's about being willing to bet on yourself when no one else fully understands your vision yet. And in today's world, following the crowd often leads to average results, average income, average freedom, average choices. But if you're wired for more, if you know deep down you were meant to build something bigger, then you can't keep playing small. At some point, you have to stop asking for permission to live the life you want and start creating it. That's exactly what TruPowur is about. This isn't just another opportunity, it's a vehicle for people who are ready to lead their own lives, build their own business, and create real long-term income by helping people save money on something they already use every single day: electricity and natural gas. The beauty of this business is simple. The systems are in place, the suppliers are in place, the training is in place, the support is in place. What's left is you, your drive, your discipline, your willingness to lead. And here's what most people miss. Residual income isn't built overnight. It's built through consistency, through action, through showing up when others don't. But over time, those small efforts compound into something life-changing. That's how freedom is built, not by chance, by choice. So ask yourself, are you going to keep following someone else's blueprint for your life? Or are you ready to take the lead and build your own? So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.